And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Well, hey everybody, I like doing this. I like showing the top of Pikes Peak, especially before we get some more fresh snow up there, which we will probably drop a little bit more over the weekend, and then especially next week, next Tuesday, Wednesday. Probably get a good covering of snow on Pikes Peak, and maybe up there near the Monument area might get some as well. So we'll talk about that more coming up in a little bit, but it's beautiful. Blue sky, little cirrus cloud cover over top. Fairly low humidity, but we're not into the teens. That's really dry air, and it's gorgeous. It's 70 degrees right now. Now, as we look over towards Pueblo, very, very pretty into the Steel City with that yellow coloring happening into the trees. Falls coming to the Riverwalk. 71, it's actually very nice and very calm. Sensor says 0, and I don't see a whole lot of breeze through those leaves. Right into the start of the day here. Well, I suppose it's the middle of the day. 70 at Fort Carson, same as where we're at the airport. Looks like the KOAA Power's a little warmer there at 72. So we've got 60s into the north end of town at about 63 out over towards Teller County. 71 in Pueblo, 70 in Trinidad, and then some 80s going a little farther east into the plains. It's kind of hot in the sunshine there, and I think we'll carry some of that forecast into tomorrow. Now, dry southwest jet stream flow is coming off the Pacific, but more importantly, through the desert southwest, and it's pointed right into Colorado. We don't have any rain following that jet energy, but we do have cloud cover that should blow on in over the next 24 hours. So even though tomorrow and Saturday look kind of warm and dry, we'll actually have some cloud cover around. Now, the next chance of rain is going to be on Sunday, but the system bringing this moisture, first of all, it's going to dump some good snow in the San Juans, especially the central San Juans and down the Lagaritas. Well, it's just going to bring some rain through the San Luis Valley, the Wet Mountain Valley, and our southern mountains. We might grab a stray shower in the Pikes Peak region or Pueblo, same with Canyon City, but the system has now been shifting south a lot more, so that would probably leave less of a chance much moisture actually falls north of Walsenburg, and I would say there's a better chance we just keep the moisture on the southern border. Next week is the interesting one. So Tuesday through Wednesday, our long-range models are both kind of similar in their shape, their depth, but they're a little off on the timing. So there is some question here as to what exactly is going to happen, but I see a couple things, one of them being cold air, another being moisture, and so we are suspecting good heavy snow in the mountains, but we might be able to sneak some snow even out towards the Palmer Divide. That's a kind of thing that can happen kind of easily this time of year, especially in the next week, and it might be the first time for some snow to get a little lower this year so far. Overnight lows tonight into the 40s, but let's just talk more about the extended. So for Colorado Springs, Saturday probably a weather alert day for red flag warnings. On Sunday, it's a low chance of rain. And then Tuesday to Wednesday, we get rain that turns to rain and snow, and then early morning snow in northern El Paso County being possible through Wednesday morning. Central Colorado Springs downtown, probably a better chance we just keep a cold rain Tuesday through Wednesday. Now in Pueblo, we could see some showers on Sunday. I thought there's a little better rain chance on Tuesday night through Wednesday morning. No snow, but real cold there Wednesday morning, a morning low of 33. Canyon City, dry through Saturday with some moisture. Rain from Tuesday to Wednesday, chilly air, and then Woodland Park. If we're going to get snow in our 7 days, it's going to be Woodland Park first. Just some rain on Sunday, but then Tuesday through Wednesday, a rain-snow mixture turns to snow, and Eric, through the weekend, we'll start trying to figure out how much could be coming our way.
Sounds good, Sam. Thank you. Still to come here on News 5 at noon.